Good evening, friends. I'm back with some more news and I'm continuing with India. The Indian economy is, as I mentioned in some of the videos earlier, is going to be in negative for FY20 full financial year. Next quarter, it is said to be going into negative, and the whole year it may have a GDP of around 4.2% or something like that. The silver lining in Indian economy, which economist and everybody has noticed, is the agricultural sector. Agricultural sector is said to have a growth of 2.1% in this financial year, which is a very good thing because most of the other sectors have gone into negative. Having said that, the GMO seed makers in India, they have said that they are, as they have observed that the agricultural sector is immune to this recession and this epidemic. So, they are hoping they will grow, and they are expecting their revenue to grow by 20%, the GMO seed makers in India. Okay, so moving to some other news. There was an incident in one of the gas, oil station in Assam, Tinsukia district. Gas is flowing, without control out of the well, and around 5,000 people have been evacuated from the neighborhood areas. Two experts from Singapore, they are visiting that well to find out the root cause and try to consult on how to stop the gas flow. Water is being pumped into the wells to avoid any accidental fire. So, we will come back on this more as we see what conclusion happens and how they get to manage to control the flow of the gas. Coming to another news, the G7 countries, they have mentioned that the debt relief for poorest countries should continue beyond 2020. So, they have pledged that they will continue to support all the debts and reliefs and welfare schemes and the aid money they used to give to the various developing and poor countries. So, that they have pledged to continue. India is hoping that this COVID-19 is bringing a good opportunity for India in terms of providing a separate supply chain basket, and India has suggested no company ideally should put all their eggs in the same basket. So, if India has a lot of resources and raw material, so many companies can come here and set up shop here, or maybe source some of the raw materials from India, which will be very good for them, and it will in case of this kind of situations, any epidemic, any natural disaster or any other serious issues which disrupt some portion of the world or some shipping lines or some business routes, then India can help them to continue the logistical aspect of their businesses. So, I will continue with some more news in another video clip. For now, I am taking a short break. Thank you.